to talk about Kim Kardashian.
Oh my gosh, guess what they're saying about Kim Kardashian?
What?
That she is the sweetest person ever. So whoever said that Kim was selfish, self-centered, bitchy, self-absorbed, egotistical, greedy, put your hand down, Gary. Whoever said all of those things about Kim Kardashian, they are absolutely positively wrong. She's just the most lovable, humble, cutest person you'll ever meet. Guess what she did?
What?
Okay, so her younger sister, Kylie Jenner, she's getting ready to have her sweet 16 birthday party. Well, you know, Kim really hasn't been seen publicly yet. So Kim Kardashian is so sweet, yes she is, that she's gonna make sure that she makes a public appearance first before she goes to the birthday party so she won't take away from Kylie's thunder at the birthday party. Isn't that sweet?
What?
That ain't no damn sweet.
That is sweet, Gary.
That is awesome. And Kim Kardashian has always been totally giving of herself.
Yeah.
She's always been giving herself.
She should have made the appearance at least 2 weeks after she had the baby, like everybody else does.
I want to understand she's having like some body issues since having a baby, so she's just trying to get back in a fighting form. So the first time you see Kim Kardashian since the baby, she looks good.
Well, that's fake then.
In fact, I think it's really, really sweet and selfless of her to do that so that when she does come out, she can motivate other women.
And then also,
to say, hey,
another thing that makes her sweet, if she comes out big, she's going to take out a lot of spaces on the tabloids. So a skinnier Kim Kardashian leaves room for other celebrities. She's sweet.
Yeah, she wasn't that damn nice at the premiere, the Tyler Perry premiere, when she was in that movie, and I immediately rushed out, bought a new outfit to go see this tramp, and she just walked past me.
Kim Kardashian just snubbed me. But you've been talking trash about her for the better part of 3.5 years.
No, I've been saying good things about her.
You call her Kim Kardashian.
But that's nice.
Come on, Gary, just say it with us one time. 1, 2, 3.
Kim Kardashian is the best. Come on, man.
You're a Christian, Gary. You're a good Christian man. Kim Kardashian is the...
Starts with a B. Kim Kardashian. No, Gary.